Welcome to Sri Sharda Pita Education. In today's class, we will be learning about computers. Okay, this will be the class where I will be giving you introduction to computers, parts of the computer and types of the computer. Okay, see, this is the image of the computer. So, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device that receives the commands and processes the commands and gives us the output. So what does this computer does? Computer is actually an electronic device which receives the input given by the user and processes the commands. It means performs a task, performs an operation, whatever the user asks the computer to do, it will be done by the computer. See, for example, if I ask the computer to do addition operation by entering 2 and 2, so here the inputs are 2 and 2. These are the inputs and it performs the addition operation 2 plus 2 and gives us the result 4. Okay, this is how computer works. This is a workflow model of a computer. Here, as I have said earlier, this is the input. 2 plus 2 equals 4. If I ask the computer to perform an addition operation on 2 and 2, so input will be 2 and 2. So plus will be the process, that means addition operation process. It does the operation, addition operation, and it gives us the result 4. It will be the output. Okay, this is the workflow model of a computer. Here it accepts the input, processes it and gives us the result. Next, here we will be learning about different types of a computer. So different types of the computer are desktop, laptop, tablet and supercomputers. So this is the image of the desktop. This is the image of the laptop. So desktop computers are used mainly on the desk. It means it will be fixed to the desk. Okay, it gives better performance than a laptop. Okay, so laptop computers are portable and suitable for use while traveling. Wherever we go, we can carry the laptop with us, right? It is also called as a notebook. Okay, tablet and supercomputers are also the types of the computer. So tablet, this is the image of the tablet and this is the image of the supercomputers. Tablet is small enough to be held in one's palm. It means we can hold the tablet in our palm and it has a touch sensitive screen. It has a very high touch sensitive screen, right? Next, supercomputers. Supercomputers are very large in size, as we can see in the image. It is very large and it is generally used in scientific applications, right? It is generally used for performing complex, very difficult calculations. Okay, next let us learn about basic parts of the computer, right? Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. These are all the parts of the computer. Let us learn in detail one by one. This is the image of the monitor. So what is monitor? Monitor is an output device that displays the information in a pictorial form. It means monitor is an output device. Whatever we enter, for example, if we enter the numbers or characters through a keyboard by typing, right? if we type something through a keyboard, it will be entered into the, it will be displayed on the monitor, right? So it is used for displaying the information in a pictorial form. Next comes the keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It means it is used to enter the text, characters, symbols, numbers, whatever we want to enter into the computer, it is entered through keyboard, right? So it is an input device that is used to enter characters or numbers into the computer. Next comes the CPU. What is CPU? It is called as the brain of the computer, right? CPU is an central processing unit. It is an output device where most of the calculations are done, right? See, whatever we want, whatever we ask the computer to perform, for example, addition operation, subtraction, cube root, taking of the cube root, or division, multiplication, whatever we ask the computer to do, all the calculations, all the operations are done inside this CPU only, right? So it is called as the brain of the computer. It is very important, children, right? It is called as the brain of the computer. It will be asked in the exam. Dash is the brain of the computer, right? CPU is the brain of the computer. Next comes mouse. Mouse is an input device that controls the movement of the cursor or pointer on a display screen. It means it controls the movement of the cursor. What is cursor here? Cursor is nothing but a small blinking line on a monitor, right? So mouse controls that small blinking line. Whether we want to move the cursor to the right or to the left or to the middle or to the up, so it can be done using mouse. Okay, so in this today's class we have learnt about the definition of a computer, types of computer, and parts of the computer. Okay, thank you.